How long should a good heat pump last? Well, that does depend on a number of issues. Sizing is crucial. If you undersize a heat pump, it's not going to last as long. It's like driving around in an underpowered car, you're going to wear it out. So the crucial thing with heat pumps is to size them correctly, and also in terms of longevity, buy a good brand. A good brand is certainly going to last longer than a cheaper budget machine, and I would expect 12 to 15 years from a good quality, correctly sized heat pump is what to expect. If you've enjoyed this information and would like to receive free 20 videos on the commonly asked questions regarding heat pumps in Dunedin, please go to www.heatpumpsdunedin.co.nz.